Wow, 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 wow. First of all, who is making a noise? You know what? Let me explain. You guys, I wake up very morning. This morning, I woke up. I am two teachers. I am a Sunday school teacher, I am a school teacher, and I'm a working teacher. Do you know how 3 jobs it is? Saturday I must work, Sunday I must work, and Monday I must work. The whole week I must work. Basically every year, even on Christmas Day, if I don't work, my days, if I took a leave day, if I took a leave day yesterday, I have to work it in on Saturdays. Even on Sundays. If I was supposed to go to work on Saturday and I didn't come in work, I must go on Sundays. And then I have to take off then I must come student teachers to my Sunday school class to look after my class because I must work. So please stop making noise because it is tiring. I just came from my Sunday school class and I must visit you guys and then I must still go to other class. So stop with this nonsense because I must still staple your tests. I will staple your lips. So stop making noise because I don't like it. I'm gonna hit you if you're gonna make a noise. And if I see you talking, you're gonna go right to the office because I am tired. I have a headache. I have a headache of shouting. So keep quiet because I just came out of church and I can't shout like this. My voice is unclear. Am I clear? I don't know what I can do with this class. Shut up! It's early morning and you guys are acting like it's early afternoon. I have a pack of stuff. I have a pack of stationery. I must still table this. I must still go to that work. You know how the thing is? You guys have activities to do here on the top bed, and you guys also have color pens that I must sort out still, stationery problems that I must sort out here. Stop it with the nonsense. I don't like it. Because every time I must shout my brain out to this class. You know, not even my Sunday school shouted that. They are the most sweetest children in that Sunday school. I can't lie. But yeah, it's not. Not even a damn sweet. You can't even be one day sweet. No, I'm gonna message your parents about this behavior because I can't anymore. I can't. I'm gonna send it on the group. I can't.